In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the program ScreencastOmatic, your iPad, and the PowerPoint app on iPad to make a video for your class. First, you want to open up ScreencastOmatic. Start recording to launch the recorder. And then you'll see the frame appear. The frame is resizable, so you can adjust it to the size of your PowerPoint slides so that you're only recording your PowerPoint slides. The next thing I want you to take a look at is the record box. What you want to do is you want to make sure you have an external mic hooked up to your computer. Now, I use my iPhone as an external mic, and I use the app called Von Bruno because it's free. You'll also need a 3.5 millimeter male-to-male audio jack to hook up between your iPhone and your computer to have a microphone. So now that I have ScreencastOmatic up and running, the next thing you want to do is you want to pull up Air Server. Go ahead and open up Air Server on your iPad. Set the view to full screen, and then adjust your frame so that only your iPad screen or your complete iPad screen will be shown. Next, go ahead and open up your PowerPoint app wherever you have it. And here you'll be asked to log on. So once you've logged on or created a Microsoft Office 365 account, you'll come to this dashboard of the PowerPoint app for the iPad. Go ahead and scroll down to Open. When you tap on Open, you'll get this window where it says iPad, Add a Place, and More. So I just tapped More, and you're going to select the locations of where you store your PowerPoints. So if I click on More again, I'm going to select Google Drive. I'm going to tap Done, and now Google Drive will be a location. When I tap More and I hit Location, Google Drive will be a choice for me to pull my PowerPoints from. And since we have unlimited storage on our Google Drive accounts, on our staff Google Drive accounts, it's best to store your PowerPoints on Google Drive. But I'm going to go ahead and click Done. I'm not going to pull anything from Google Drive. What I wanted to show you was the benefit of using the iPad app, the PowerPoint iPad app. So I'm going to go ahead and select a new presentation. I'm going to select a blank presentation. Up at the top where it says Design, I'm actually going to change the design and slide size to 4:3 because that's pretty much the standard. In the upper right hand corner, I'm going to select the desktop window. And again, in the upper right hand corner, I'm going to go select Enlarge. So on my iPad screen, I have a full view of the slide. And what's cool about using the iPad app, the PowerPoint iPad app, is that when I scroll down or when I swipe down on my iPad, you can't see it on the screen, but I have a menu up at the top, and one of the choices is a writing tool. And what this allows me to do is it allows me to annotate over my PowerPoint. So if I'm lecturing and I need to do some sort of annotation, I can do that. Or if I have to demonstrate a problem like in math, I can do that as well. So that's what the neat feature of iPad app, the PowerPoint iPad app is that you can annotate over your PowerPoints. So once I'm done recording my video, I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And when I click Done, it's going to ask you to save your file, right? Click Save as Video File. You'll want to change the file name to whatever it is you want. And then you'll want to choose a folder. Right now mine's set to desktop. That's my default. And the reason why I chose desktop, it just makes it easier for me to find on my desktop. And then when you're ready, go ahead and click Publish. So depending on the size of your video will determine how long the video takes to render. And you're saving all videos as an MP4. So now that your video is finished rendering, go ahead and click Done. Escape Air Server. And you should be able to find that video on your desktop. So here it is under Trial 4. And then when you open it, it should play
Created a Microsoft Office 365 account
with your volume.
You'll come to this dashboard of the
So the next thing you want to do is you want to open up your Google Drive and you want to save this video to your Google Drive. And by saving the video to your Google Drive, that video will now have a link. So if I scroll down my Google Drive, there's trial 4. If I right click on trial 4, hit share, click on advanced, change the settings of the access from private to public, or anyone with the William S. Hart School District, and then click save, and what you have is a link. What you want to do is you want to control C this link or copy this link, and now you can put this into your website, or you can put it into Google Classroom. And that's how you make a video using ScreencastOmatic, the iPad, and the PowerPoint app for iPad.